They're rocking.
Thank you. Let's go. I got you. Perfect. Okay, you tell me when you're ready.
I thought we need to put some bikes.
Yes. He's just moving one bike.
Patty, how many earpieces do you have?
They said over the overpass.
More than the one we had?
Okay. You sure?
We ended up with only
Are we going under the overpass or over the overpass? Under.
Under is what I have been told.
All right.
Okay, let me get one. Yeah, RAAM had one.
Why are they? Hey.
Oh,
That's all right. Leave it.
They missed a turn and came in the wrong way.
It's fine.
Well, it's not fine because you're going to have to go back to where he departed the route
all right. Thank you.
and do it again.
Talk to them. Okay. So where we have to go?
Which one going out of city before they get there?
Stop.
Yeah. He's taking care of
Let's
this.
not make any bad decisions.
Yeah.
Let's get a bike on the roof of here. Where's Matt?
That's right there.
Okay.
We have to backtrack because we made the wrong turn.
I'm gonna go listen over there. Talking about the backtrack.
Going, and then ultimately, in this direction turn, this way. Yeah, and then ultimately we end up going the one way to find the road, we have to backtrack this way.
Okay, so basically they need to take the van back to here and ride up to here.
Check. Check it. Stop. No. Straight.
Patty. Okay, this is what needs to happen. We're here. They deviated. They missed this turn, and so they ended up over here and coming this way. So you need to take Lamb back to right where 3 and Broadway intersect. So Highway 3 and Broadway, so that you can ride this little segment here, and then take this college exit. Got it? Yep. So basically, if you go out of here, make a left, go south on Highway 3 to this first, there's basically a big traffic intersection here with traffic lights. Basically, you just need to redeploy him down here so that he can ride back up Highway 3. Up to here. Okay? Yep. And then from right there, you just need to ride right back up 3 and take that same exit. Correct. Yep. Yeah, I think it's only it's probably a mile.
Okay, we are ready to go.
There's not an overpass. Good. You need some help here. You're not going across it. So you turn right out of the parking lot, you take an immediate right.
That was good until I couldn't get here.
And then we get down here, and there's a big traffic intersection.
We were
here.
getting there 24 hours before cutoff.
Basically, you need to drop him either here or somewhere like actually probably right there. So follow this around and essentially drop him over here, so that he can then ride up 3. This is like a divided highway, right? So he can ride back up 3, and then we can come back to this same interchange, take the exit on the right, come to this corner, turn right, and go on that way.
And this is where it says.
Yes, you will set the right. Yeah, when you come up here and stop at this traffic signal, reset the odometer.
Dr. Lam.
All right, you.
Yes. Dr. Blue, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, let's start, right? So,
We could do it.
Get back here. I have one on my
We got back here, but not by
That's how I was getting
the
those
route
guys
by Google Maps.
Yeah, so man,
yes.
put your bike on here and let him drive you down.
Okay.
It'll be way faster.
Okay. That
Throw it on the
sounds
back
good.
hitch.
Drive me down. Yeah.
Yep. Flip it.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, why do we have to ride down?
No, you don't have to ride down. In fact, it tells you not. In fact, you're not allowed to ride down. You have to be driven back to the route if you miss a turn.
And it's a Washington.
Okay.
It was the wrong way.
Okay.